Here's a quick concept check for you. Combining patterns on multiple time frames can really help increase your probability of profit of the trend continuation. So here's an example from a recent candidate from our scouting reports on the scouting report today for this week. And it's on XLRE. That's a REIT, real estate ETF. And the general premise of this pattern, the reason we put it on the list, is because we had this really nice breakout off of this ascending triangle, and it ripped and it ran up, nice move, and it started to pull back down. And the reason it started to pull back down is there's a dividend payment on it. And then there's, in anticipation of rate cuts, we believe that the market's going to continue to rise on this. Doesn't guarantee that, but there's a support resistance zone in here. There's a support resistance zone in here. And we're looking for this stock to find support and start to run back up. Now, right now, all we see are two red candles on the daily chart. And if we zoom in a little bit, you'll see that those candles, they're getting closer together on the bottom. That's a slowing momentum pattern on the candlesticks. But now I'm going to switch time frames down in here to a 30-minute chart. We're looking at a 30-minute chart. And here you can see we're watching key support resistance levels, and we might be watching for like a W pattern to form right here and break out above 38. We could buy if it broke above 38. It may not find support here yet. It may dip down here to this next support resistance zone at 37. And you might see prices come down and form another W type pattern. Or you could see any other reversal pattern in here, like maybe an inverted head and shoulders pattern that reverses back up. But it's in the proper context of the daily chart pattern setup. So we see lots of the 1, 2, 3 patterns here, the breakouts, the retracements, and again, just a good example of a chart pattern. Oh, hey, by the way, here is a big fat symmetrical triangle that broke out right in there. If you look at that, that one broke out to the upside. And again, high base ascending triangle right there we mentioned. Patterns occur all over the place. You'll see them time and time and time again. And again, if you can combine patterns on multiple time frames, it will increase your odds of probability.